Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm starting my day. This Oppo is just taking over out here. I'm telling y'all, it's wonderful. We are going to let the chickens out. We got some slackers not coming out. Come on. Good morning to the growouts. They are about 7.5 weeks old. They are learning how to roost on their roosting pole that my husband has set up. I see he's moved the waterer because they had a wet spot over on this side of the room. But they are getting big. They're getting all their feathers in. They have got food all over the floor. And I'm fixing to give them some more food. Let me see if I can get the rest of these guys to get over here. They're being lazy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of the corner. You too. Got one over here that wants to be a slacker. You get over there and get you some food. There we go. We got almost all of them over there. We have lost a total of 2 chicks during this entire time. And of course, these are meat birds. They are bred specifically to be meat birds. The Cornish cross. Got a lot of tail feathers in there. And I brought you out here so you could see that we have an extra piece of hardware wire that we put across the doorway, and a wood block, because when we first put them in there they were too small, but we do it also to keep the predators out. And they are very secure in their pen. We got a chicken over there picking at the water system, and the chickens out here have feed all over the ground to scratch at. And this Oppo plant is just full of blooms. It's going up onto the roof. And I come out here every day. Between me and my husband, we're weaving in stragglers like this on the ground. We have another Oppo up here growing. And this is I think this is 12 foot this direction. I've got another Oppo here in the corner hanging down. And then it's going over another 6 foot section. And this is all just one plant, y'all. I'm going to walk around outside. I've got to go check on my turkeys to make sure that they're open, but we're going to check out the Oppo on this side. And we have a wading pool that we keep over here for the chickens. It's usually full of water because it's been so hot, but it's cooling off now, so they're just going to their water feeders inside the coop. And there's our watering system there. And here is the Oppo up on the roof. So it goes from ground all the way up, and we trellis it as much as we possibly can. Okay, let me go check on the turkeys. Okay, the turkeys are doing really well. My husband has rigged this nest box door so we can open it and let more air in there for them. And this will eventually be replaced because this is too small for them. And here they are. There's the three ladies. My one with a crooked beak. Yep. Are you being talkative this morning? Yes. Very talkative this morning. Very healthy, yes. And even though this one has been crippled up, she seems to be getting around pretty good. Her legs are a little stunted. We don't know what happened. It was probably a genetic thing. These are our big sunflowers. Can you see the bee up there working on that big one? That one is about 12 feet in the air. And that bee is working it. And a couple of little bugs up there working also. Little bees. And there's another one. Another one. And there's another one. The pumpkins are blooming. I'm hoping I'll get some pumpkins out of this. We may or may not, but they are blooming, and I think I had 2 seeds that actually germinated.